Hey guys, how are you today? Well, before we start with this video and show you how to make the best homemade remedy against snoring, I would like to ask you a simple question. Do you know what the main cause of snoring? Here's what you need to know. The medical experts claim that one of the main things that causes snoring is the excess mucus. And this means one thing: if we reduce the amount of mucus from the airways, this means that we will be able to reduce or even prevent snoring. Well, you shouldn't worry, because there is an easy way to prevent and stop this bad habit. In this video, we're going to show you how to make this miraculous remedy. It works like a charm. You will be amazed by the results. Trust me. It's very simple. All you have to make this homemade drink and drink it before you go to sleep every night. This homemade juice will help you eliminate the mucus, which is one of the main reasons for snoring. And, don't forget, this is also very important: make sure you use organic fruits and vegetables, because they don't contain the harmful chemicals and pesticides that other products have. You will need the following ingredients: 1/4 lemon, 1 piece of ginger, 2 apples, 2 carrots, ½ cup of water. Directions: it's very simple. You just have to put all the ingredients in a blender and blend until you get a nice and homogeneous mixture. And, make sure you drink this homemade juice a few hours before you go to sleep. You need to drink this anti-snoring juice, but you should also be careful and avoid certain types of foods, because they will make the condition even worse. These are the foods and drinks you must avoid. Make sure you avoid consuming processed foods and drinks. Don't drink too much alcohol. And yes, you should avoid fried foods. Avoid eating too much chocolate. Don't eat foods that are hard to digest.